Very good afternoon, everyone. This is Manas from the hospitality desk. Today we are here to discuss about operating process of kitchen. अगर आप सोच रहे हो एक छोटा सा टनल रेस्टोरेंट खोलेंगे और अच्छा किचन आप सेटअप करेंगे तो कैसे किचन को ऑपरेट करता है वो भी आपको पता होना चाहिए बीइंग एज रेस्टोरेंट ओनर. अगर आप शेफ हो, हेड शेफ हो, आपको पता होना चाहिए आपका जो किचन है उसको कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज करना है और हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू ऑपरेट दैट किचन. So we will see the operating a kitchen efficiently, requirement planning, organization and following proper procedure to maintain that hygiene, quality and safety policy. I'll see step by step how we need to maintain the procedure. Alright, the first will be pre-opening preparation. Okay. In the pre-opening preparation, you should check the clean and sanitize all kitchen surface. Okay, equipments and utensils, whatever you will use, that has to be clean. अगर आपका pan clean है, counters are clean, kitchen are neat and clean, all kadais are clean, equipments, tools, knife, whatever you are going to use, it has to be clean properly. Check inventory of ingredients and suppliers. The ingredients, what is there in the menu, you know, after opening the order will come, guest will come, they will give the order for that ingredients, and the suppliers has to be in your stock. It has to be there with you, it has to be there or in the store, whatever it is. Organize your workstation, like organize the mise en place, chopping, okay, portioning, preparing the ingredients. This all you have to plan it before opening the restaurant. Okay, switch on the equipments like oven, grills, fryers, okay, and any preheat items is there in the menu. You have to preheat as required. Okay, you know, by 12 o'clock restaurant will be open, lunchtime 12:30, so there is a menu, grilled chicken, grilled fish. So if order is coming, how are you going to make it? So your tawa has to be hit. So immediately you can dispatch the order, right? Assign the duties to kitchen staff like commis or other chefs. Any stewards is there. So you have to assign the duties. Today we are looking after quantity, or Mr. This chef is not there, so you will look after the tandoor. Who is there in India and who is there in South Indian? You must know before starting your operation, right? So you have to allocate them. You have to allocate the chefs. Next is during operation. When operations time start, so what you are going to do? During the operation, you have to follow all the recipes and SOPs to maintain the consistency and the taste. If you are not maintain the recipe or ingredients properly or SOPs properly, then your consistency and taste will be changed. Then guest will not come again. This is much important for a chef. Practice of hygiene. Wash hand, wearing the gloves, using hairnet, which is most important inside of the kitchen. This is for shame for the chef, or as it is who is entering to the kitchen, they must wearing the hairnet. You have to check that it is happening or not. Maintain the temperature control for storage and cooking. The area where you are keeping the ingredients, as per your ingredients, temperature has to be maintained properly. If it is cold room or any other normal room temperature room, you have to check, maintains temperature properly. Avoid the cross contamination in the kitchen, which is more important. Okay, by separating the raw and cooked items. You should not keep raw item or cooked item together. You have to keep separate. So this is how we are going to maintain the cross contamination. All right. So these all are the things. You have to monitor the portions to control the food cost and the wastage. You can control the wastage by monitoring the portions. Few portion is going more, few is getting less. So if you are giving more portion in a food will be wasted, of course. You have to make good food, tasty food. Portion has to be maintained for all chef, always chef. Correct? Safety and hygiene policy. In the safety and hygiene policy, you have to keep all your floors dry to prevent sleep. किचन का फ्लोर हमेशा ड्राई होना चाहिए जैसे कोई स्लीप ना हो जाए, राइट? Store the knife and sharp tools properly. The knife, wherever you will keep, it has to be in a safe place. Use proper cutting board or any color code for meat, vegetables, okay, seafood. This all you have to check either chefs are using proper chopping board or not. Either there is chances for cross contamination, right? You have to maintain proper chopping board for chopping or any cutting. Dispose the waste regularly and follow the garbage segregation. That you have to continuously keep on checking either the garbage is segregation happening or not. You have to follow fire safety protocol. Okay, no location of extinguisher. Where all the extinguisher is there, you must know the location. Fourth is closing the kitchen. Turn off and clean all the cooking equipment. Store leftover ingredients properly. Label with label and date. Whatever ingredients is not cooked today, it can be cooked tomorrow, but you have to keep with proper date and proper label. Wash and sanitize utensils and surface. Take stock for next day and make a requisition if need. Next day, how many reservation is there, how many event is there, how many banquet event is there. Check and make the requisition. What are the things you need for tomorrow. Today you have to make and you have to pick it up. You have to keep ready for tomorrow. Today. Lock the storage areas and maintain the security properly. Okay. The next is management responsibilities. Train staff regularly in food and safety and kitchen operations. Staff must know what all are the safety policies is there in the kitchen. From the management, you have to give training to the staff. Maintenance, always you have to maintain the maintenance schedule for the equipment. Alright, continually you have to check all the oven is working or not, burners are working or not. Alright, product daily briefing system has to be there. Alright, you have to every day conduct a daily briefing to plan service and review the performance, which food is good quality, any complaint coming or not in the kitchen. You must know that anything is coming, you have to check why it is coming, what is the reason from our side, ingredient side or the management side, why the food is not getting proper taste. You must know that. Alright, so would you like to know more about the kitchen procedure process? You must let me know. If you need any other SOPs or any standard operating procedure to run a kitchen or any kind of checklist, please let me know. Still now, if you not subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more notification about hotel industry. Thank you so much for bearing your valuable time with us.